Ever needed a quick way to find the closest hospital? Today, we're building a Flutter app that does just that using the power of the Google Maps API. First, you'll need a Google Cloud project and to enable the Maps API for it, then grab the API key. Remember to restrict this key to your app for security. Next, add the Google_Maps_Flutter and geolocator packages to your pub's YAML file and run flutter pub get to install them. Now, initialize the location service and request location permissions from the user to access the device's current location. Create a Google Map widget, setting the initial camera position to the user's location when the app starts. Use the Google Maps Places API's nearby search to fetch a list of hospitals around the user's current location. Iterate through the results and create marker objects for each hospital, placing them on the map using their latitude and longitude. Run your Flutter app, and voila! You'll see the map centered on your location with markers indicating nearby hospitals. Tap on a marker to see the hospital's name. With these steps, you've successfully integrated the Google Maps API into your Flutter app to display nearby hospitals, making it easier for users to find healthcare when they need it most.